In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter that is known as neurolinguistics. In neurolinguistics, I told you the definition of neurolinguistics and explanation as well. That neurolinguistics is the study of the relationship between brain and language. After that, I told you different parts of the brain, such as left frontal lobe, left temporal lobe, the main difference between brain and mind. Today, I am going to teach you another important and vital part of the brain, that is occipital lobe. What is occipital lobe? How does it work? And what are the different functions of occipital lobe? A, if it is damaged, then what kind of disorders and problems can be faced by a human? Listeners and audience, occipital lobe is a part of the brain that is located to the back side of our head or to the back of our head. This is actually derived from Latin occipus or occiput, which means back to the head. When you place your hand on your skull, beneath it you will find occipital lobe. Although it is small, but it has very important function. The first and primary function of occipital lobe is visual information, like processing visual information. Processing visual information means whenever our eyes captures the thing, captures the factors or the images, it actually analyzes such images. For example, if we look at or we watch an apple, so now it analyzes the apple. For example, the shape of the apple, that it is round, and the color of the apple, that it is red. Second function of occipital lobe is interpreting visual signals. Which means it's not only helping us to analyze the images and the objects, but help us that we interpret visual signals. Visual signals mean, for example, it helps us that either a thing is near, a thing is in a distance, a thing is far, or it's in motion. For example, when you see a moving car, this occipital lobe helps us to tell us that the car is in a speed, or the car is slow, or the car is far or in a distance or very near. Similarly, we have another function of this part of the brain, that is recognizing colors. It means it does not only indicate the colors but recognize the distinctions between various colors. You know, we have various colors, more than 7 colors. And the interesting example of the colors would be a rainbow. You know, sometime when there is a little rain and some of the sky is, for example, with cloud, and some of which is not cloud, and a little rain is there, and then different colors are appearing in the sky, we call it rainbow. So they have different various colors like blue, green, red, and many others. And the last important function is understanding spatial awareness. You may call it spatial for understanding, although the pronunciation is spatial, but spatial does also mean particular. But here spatial does not mean particular because the spelling is also different, and here spelling mean spatial mean related to the space. Let me tell you the main difference. When we're talking about visual signals, here it is related to the thing which you see stretch, either to a right side, left side, to the front. But here understanding spatial awareness related to the space, what you see above. For example, someone pushed the ball. Now you see or you look at to the space in order to see how far the ball is. So you actually judge and find out the distance of the ball, and then you want to catch it. So now all these are related to the functions. Coming to how does occipital lobe work? Remember, occipital lobe does not work separately. It has coordinations, it has cooperation and support with other parts of the brain in order to work properly. For example, first of all, it is connected with our eyes through optical nerves. When we look at a thing through optical nerves, the messages they go to our occipital lobe, and occipital lobe also has connection with left frontal lobe or frontal lobe, and particularly with parietal lobe. So process occurs, differentiation of different colors occur because of its connection with various parts of the brain. Now, what are the disorders? If it is damaged, what problems can cause? The first thing is vision problems. If this part of the brain is disturbed, disorder, definitely human will feel spots or his eyesight will be like blurred eyesight he will face. Second one, difficulty in recognition. Difficulty in recognition means he will watch some things, for example colors, but he will not distinguish between the or among the different colors. And this kind of condition is known as visual agnosia or agnosia. Visual agnosia means even a person will not be able to differentiate between the distance, even the for example the distance between our fingers or among our fingers. And the last one is hallucination. Hallucination means before his eyesight he will feel some blurry things, some images. So hope that you know about occipital lobe, its function, and its disorder as well. Thank you.